Hello, hi, welcome back. And I am Shushmita and I am going to show you how to download and install font in your system. So for that, first open Google Chrome and type font download free. The list of fonts website will be appear on the screen. Then click on first option. Then it will open the font available font one after another. Click on download. It will download in your system. Then click on download option. Extract the folder, right click on it and extract all. Leave the location as it shows. Click on extract, and now you have the happy night font here. Then you have to close the window and open control panel. Go to fonts, click on browse and install fonts. The happy night font will be showed here. Click on the font image. Now create font. That's it. The font is loaded in your system. So to check, open Word, and here you can find all the font you have installed in your system. That's it for today. Hope you understand the video. See you again.